guys, got Drake and Skylar again. We have an Amtrak charter locomotive, or as we think, we have some Railfan birds with us. They're Railfanning with us. Anyways, he's basically so freaking close.
Oh, it's coming quickly.
Oh, that must be a fast train. No, I think it's a slow one because...
No, it's coming actually pretty quickly. Skylar, watch.
Yep, it's Amtrak. I want to get up close.
Don't!
I'm not going to get sucked in, trust me.
Don't, you're not supposed to cross. Jesus.
Okay, tell him to honk the horn so we can get in our horn salute. Wait, Silver Star? Thank you.
That's actually pretty long.
Perfect. Anyways, bye. And yes, I got a horn salute. Let's go.